Is it the rightful owner of that land? I mean, the owner of the land has ordered that we go back to work. Don't mind that guy. He's just a hungry tout. He's not the owner of that place. I've already settled with the owner, so we are going back to work. How? You won't do what? Okay, but don't worry. I'll be there. I'll be there soon. I have to. Alright, I have to. I'll be back. Order for whatever you want, food, drink, whatever you want. Order for it. I'll be back soon. Alright.
Okay, this is the place.
You see, this land ought to have been cleared since, but it's still bushy. And my boss has been on my neck concerning this site. You see, the vehicle, the trucks that are conveying the equipment that's supposed to use to work here is on its way coming to this place. And the engineers that are supposed to work here are also on their way. I wouldn't want a situation where they will come to this place and this place is still bushy. It doesn't make sense. So please get down to work and make sure you do it properly. Please.
Mokem, are you not an Igbo man?
What's that supposed to mean?
I
don't understand. What's the meaning of that? And what has that got to do with what is at stake now?
This simply means this is a dispute land. And no one in Igbo, no one is expected to enter this land until the dispute is over. I can't kill myself. Are
you serious? But I paid for everything in full. They will even come and meet me and say, okay, they said foundation levy. I paid. Foundation goat, I paid. Even everything they're supposed to, I went to one-on-one with the elders, I paid them. So why would someone come and do this kind of thing?
You have to tell that to Munna when the time comes. As for me, we will not enter this land, no matter the pressure from your company. And, Chiro, we are coming to collect our money.
Yes.
Let's go.
Our money. Run.
Do you want to know tomorrow? It's only mentioning
Mr. Zewu, is this how we're going to do this business?
Calm down. He has not gotten to this now. Look at him. My younger brother is just proven too unreasonable and stubborn. Boy, he is my younger brother. I've taken care of everything. Oh, I already told you that you can tell your boys to go back to work.
How can you say you've sorted out the problem when Anomu is placed on the land? You're saying
Omo?
Yes. You're not aware?
I got the place Omo on my land. Give me the name of this boy.
Stop all this. Stop all these things. Stop it. Fix this problem. You see, the lorries carrying all the equipment are already on their way. They need a place to drop the container, the tents, and everything, every material needed for this job. And every time you're only for me to go there and sit at the what? You're already placed there.
It's okay, Biko. Wayo. Oh, Abasna. It will be taken care of. Biko, just 24 hours. 24 hours, I'll sort out this whole thing. Just tell your boys to hold on. Biko.
Hi. What?
Trust me now. Trust me.
24 hours.
Biko, once I leave here, I'm going to see the head of our kingsmen.
24 hours.
Believe me.
Oh? 24 hours.
24 hours. What is wrong with this? Give me a medicine, please. What is wrong with this boy?
Agodi. Hey! Odogu okay. My man. Okay, Kimbo. Nah, give me five. Hey! How you are talking? Now I know I married a man and not a weakling.
You
have done well, my husband. Hey!
Now tell me, what is happening there?
Nah, they are running up and down. Helter-skelter. You have succeeded in putting confusion amongst them.
They shouldn't run. They should wait. They shouldn't scamper for safety. Me, they should go ahead. Go ahead and mount the mask on the land. My own father's land.
Now you have said it.
Nonsense.
You are a man. Now you have done the right thing. They should keep confusing themselves there. You have done well, my husband. Not to worry. Emecha, come see it against the boy for Numu. You deserve it, my husband.
That is my wife.
Hey. Now, just calm down. Oh. Let me see what is happening.
Okay.
Meanwhile, relax.
Go there.
I'm coming.
Then come back and tell me what's happening there.
How did it go?
It went well. I've dropped a keg of palm wine with Ndiomuna. The head of Muna promised to sort out the issue very early tomorrow morning so that the boys can go back to work, since the trucks that are carrying the materials are already on their way.
That's good. That's very good. My husband, please don't be offended or can jog since, this whole thing is going to this direction. Why don't you ask Akachi and his company to do the needful so that...
Do which needful? I'll get me food to eat.
Okay.
Who is that?
You don't know him?
I don't know. Who is he?
The guy that works with NTM.
Akachi.
Yes.
Oh. The one they say he doesn't know what to do with his money.
My sister. He's building his second mansion in this village. A big mansion, no. He first built a bungalow for his mother in this village. Yes, so. Then he started building another one. A big mansion. That guy is on money.
Wait. Let me ask you. How can a civil servant, not a politician, someone that graduated yesterday and started working as a site surveyor, now has the money? I don't understand. I don't get it. How?
Their company is owned by white men and they pay him in dollars.
Dollars?
Yes, sir. So you never can tell.
You said dollars?
Yes, dollars.
Who? You mean dollars?
Dollars.
The man I work out with go. Oh no, no, no.
Onya Diego afọ onya no nya mlam.
Hey.
No Diego.
Jay, we have big money. The guy is in money. You say
Mama.
I got you, my son.
Mama. Mommy. Hey.
What a big surprise. I'm not expecting you.
Mama, my company actually erected a mast at Umubom here. So it is my duty to come and actually check everything. And I said to myself, since I'm already close to the house, let me come and see my mother before I leave.
Oh, you did well. Umobom is very close.
Yeah, it's very close.
You did well. God bless you for me.
No problem, Mama.
Let's
no
go
problem.
inside.
Wait, Mama. Wait. Where are all those our neighbors? Their children. So they will help me bring out the things I bought in the trunk. I will bring it in.
You bought other things?
You see, one of my business partners, they always calling me. Yes, Mama, I actually
You bought other things?
Yes, now.
The last ones you bought is still there in the packing store. I've not even finished them. Have you forgotten it's only me? Stop wasting your money.
Never.
Use it on other things.
I know. Mama, there is nothing I spend on you that is a waste. Are you aware? Also, go there, I will buy it and to fill this compound. It is not a waste. I did it for my lovely mother. Have you forgotten that we were insulted, humiliated, brought to nothing in this family because of money? Money insulted us. Now it is time for us to pay back the money. Mama, we insult money. People we know, everybody around, we know that we have arrived. Mama, dash it out. Call people. You put on a gate. Your son have arrived. You want to go?
You are right.
Yes.
You see what you said now?
Yes.
That is exactly what I have been doing. Dashing it to people.
Yes.
Just wait for them to know that you are back. You will see them coming here.
I
and
know.
I will be giving them.
I know, Father.
One insulted us.
Let them come.
It is time for us now to do it back.
Yes.
To give it back to it.
Exactly, Mama. Mama, let's do it with PTO.
No.
Your son have made money. You want to go?
Odogu.
Let's get up in the trunk. Let's leave what is in the trunk. After we'll talk about it.
Hey, Mama.
Hey, Mama.
Mama,
your son is back.
You were the one that put Omo in that land. Why did you do that?
My elders, I greet you. First thing first, let me express my joy. The way you people are taking this matter, I mean, the urgent attention pleases me. So thank you very much for that. Thank you. Okay, back to your question. I was in Onitsha on my own, Jeje, when my elder brother called me. I said, what is it? He said, things have changed for the better. I said, what is it? He said, there is this telephone company that are interested in the land that my father left for both of us. Okay. I said, okay, so what is it? He said, the company are willing to buy the land, that they want to put this long thing that they used to communicate around. Okay. I said, that's good though. He went ahead to tell me that the company is willing to pay money running to millions. I was so happy. They even said when they pay the money that he's going to give my own share of the money. That makes me so happy. Now they have paid the money. There's my brother. You see, I'm not lying though. My brother has refused totally to give me my own share of the money. Out of greed. What did I do? I don't know. Ask him. Okay. As far as I'm concerned, that land that my late father left for both of us, as far as I'm concerned, me, Agodi, nobody, as far as I'm alive, nobody will step foot into that land until I'm giving my own share of the money. Thank you.
You have spoken well anyway. Nzewi, you summoned this gathering. You've heard him. So what do you have to say?
Thank you very much. Once again, I greet you all. You all know how my father died, when he died. And you know how we've been sharing the inheritance that our late father left for us. Peacefully. The lands, palm trees, but everything. No issues at all. Even our farmlands, our wives farm on those lands. Any side they decide to farm on without any problems. And there has been bond between us. Very strong bond. You all know. Am I lying?
That is the truth. I'm a witness to it.
Thank you. What up with any problems? So, when the telecom company came to me and told me what they want to do, I came back home very excited. I called my brother and I told him how the Almighty God has, decided to wipe away the tears from our eyes. Both of us were happy. As the first son, I already told myself that I was going to give my brother a huge amount of money from this deal. He will not be left out because I know he has children, he has a family. Why would I do something like that? The next thing, his wife started telling him all sorts of nonsense. Brainwash my brother. Telling my brother that I have been paid. That he should stop fighting me. Even if I have been paid, truly, is my brother not supposed to come to me and ask me as a younger brother? He should come to his other brother and say, "What can my share?" It's very simple. But no, he didn't do it. He didn't ask me anything. He just started insulting me, saying all sorts of rubbish, going about spoiling my name, talking nonsense, insulting me. I will talk to my own younger brother, he will ignore me. So I said, okay, no problem. Let me teach him tradition. I said, once they pay, I will not give him a dime from that money because the land traditionally belongs to me as the first son. I will not pay him. I won't give him a dime.
Charlie, come down. Are you telling us here that you've not been paid any amount of money for that land?
I have not received a kobo from the sale of that. Nothing. I have not received a dime because of that land. Nothing.
Hey! Some people can tell lies, oh. You have not been paid. He has not been paid. Ask him. Yes, people in that land, they gained entrance into that land and they were clearing bushes, clearing the grasses in preparation for what they want to put there. He has not been paid. Yet, he has been buying property all around. Every corner, everywhere. He bought a bus. He bought a plot of land. He has bought a lot of things. Yet, he said he has not been paid. Oh, don't worry now. They wrote Mumu here. Mumu is on my forehead.
See, there's no point sitting here and talking nonsense. It's not necessary. Akachi is not far from us. He's just here. He's in a hotel in the neighboring village. I can call him right now. He'll come here and clear this issue. It's very simple.
Who is Akachi?
Who is Akachi? I'm asking, who is Akachi? Oh, same Akachi that, okay, if you had gone back to discuss with Akachi and tell him what to say in preparation for this meeting, would I know? No, I won't know. None of you here will know, right? Okay, Akachi. See, Akachi, no Akachi. Nobody will step a foot into that land until I have been paid. Nobody. Akachi. Which Akachi?
Yes, Agodi. Just relax. Nzewi, who is Akachi?
Thank you, Uncle. Akachi is a representative of the company. He's in charge of procuring land for, where they want to mount their mast, and he's also in charge of payment. He brought the deal to me.
Okay, now, can you call him so that we can hear from him?
I'll do that right away.
Boss, God will bless you for us. Wait, let me give you if it is Bubu, no.
Thank you, sir.
Boss. Please excuse me. Yeah, hello? Yeah. Hello? Yes, Zoe, I hope you have sorted out the problem. Because my boys need to go back to side, they need to walk. Okay, no problem. I should come. Any problem? Okay, I'll be there soon. I'll be there in a jiffy. Okay? Okay. Alright. Sorry, my business. No.
Hey, Chalokwa, you know I didn't come and see you when you gave birth. Let me give something to baby. I have this. If it's Pampers, use it to...
Thank God.
Is this not Amuche?
How are you?
I'm fine.
How is business in the village?
Fine.
You know I told you to come. Don't worry, I will support your business. Don't worry. This is what my greetings to your parents. Alright. Hello, Mama baby. Since you engaged, I did see the child.
Hey, boss, that one didn't go a long way.
Of course, I know. That's why I say you should come. How is school?
Nah, before.
Don't worry. Once you need anything, come to Mama. Mama will call me if it's finished. Because of school, just have this.
Hey, thank you.
Yes,
Mama.
yes.
Thank God,
No.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Don't worry. All is well.
Thank you.
Oh, when you need more, just let my mother know. I will call you. Yeah. Okay. My man. Thank you. Hey! Oh my God! Hey, Kanye! Hey, no!
Brother, I know mommy. Mommy got an afternoon and ever this afternoon. That's not you can not come in the Musa Busis. Mechanic sweep at just dance who come but often may can go away on a one butter. So can the cause I also make one book cacao.
What could it be out from Kava, my arranging call?
This man doesn't get old though.
Every year young. Every year young. One, bye-bye. He helps me a lot too.
Hey, Mama, I have to go to the site now. Because you were here when they called me now. Let me go and just sort out the issue. I will come back. Mama, let me give you your own.
I have enough. I have enough.
No, Mama, I can't be sharing money and you're here. Let me give you your own. Let me just share it into to take this one. Let me hold
this one is bigger than your own.
No, this one is okay for fuel, Mama. Mama, I'm coming back. Yeah? Let me just quickly rush. Make sure they put things in order and I'll come back. Yeah?
He's okay, Johnny Macy's,
No, Mama, I'm coming back.
Are you sure?
Yes, Mama, I'm coming back.
He's okay. I'll prepare delicious meal for you, waiting for you.
I'm coming.
Hey, Chimo. For you. Ngwano. Oh, God.
No wonder they say, trust no one, trust no one. Akachi, la putagamo. Wabulu waya nyocha nkaka poloska. Akachi, la putagamo. Wabulu waya nyocha nkaka poloska. Do you want to know tomorrow? It's only mentioning Sampo kai wali manenua manonye na bombo amazuche chukwu makima luche chukwu kubaka gotono
I catch you here. Go sit down. Sit down. Go on with your name and sit down.
Warn this young man. My head has warned this man. You should not come here and sit down and plan to tell you people lies. Warning! Warning, Madam First finish.
What is your problem now? Stop shouting. Calm down. Huh? We said we'll call this man so that he will settle this issue. Stop shouting. Akachi represents the company, and it's a big company. He cannot lie. Whatever he tells us is exactly what the company needs us to know. So calm down. Akachi, relax and talk, Biko.
We are old men. Yes. Let the young man answer us first. We will know whether he's telling us the truth or he's lying.
Good. Akachi, Biko.
Greetings, my elder.
You are welcome, my son.
Thank you, sir.
We sent for you. There is a problem at hand. We want you to tell us the truth and nothing but the truth.
Is there a what truth?
Need to clarify them. Biko, Odimpa. Kopako Simeo. Biko.
That land that your company is clearing right now, that they want to build, whether a max or a pole. Have your company paid for that land? Tell us.
What kind of question is this, Peter? Where is this question coming from?
Okay, stop beating around the bush. Stop beating around the bush and go straight to the point. Have you paid for that land or you haven't paid? Answer.
Biko, tell them how it happened. Let's clarify that and we all leave.
Honestly, I don't need to come here and say anything. So we here should have told you everything. You're here and you have your own copy of the document. You would have shown it to them and...
You don't believe me now. So, Biko, tell them everything.
Okay, fine. Since you want to hear it from me, the truth is, we have paid for the land. My company will never erect anything in any land without due process, without paying. We paid the first 20 million, first installment of 20 million. To who? Yeah, you of course.
Oh!
Then the second installment will be paid after 10 years according to the agreement.
Bam! My elders!
So what?
Have you heard? Have you heard him? Have you seen what is happening? Good!
Jesus Christ. Akachi, is this a joke?
Joke? What joke are you talking about?
What do you mean you are paid? Paid me what? Paid me how? When? From where? My elders, Biko, listen to me. You all know me very well. This man is lying. He's lying. He told me that the company will pay by the end of the month. He told me that according to company policy that they will erect their mast on the land first. And this is because they want to be sure that there is no dispute on your land. They'll erect it, be sure there's no problem, then they pay you. Well, tell them the truth now.
Mr. Nzewi, I am totally disappointed at you. You see, while I was telling you to be careful before you sign this document, I don't want any child's play. I warned you. Now I see this is where this whole thing is heading to.
Akachi,
my orders. Yes. Please a minute. Come.
Akachi,
thank you, my elders.
Yes, you're welcome.
This is a document signed between my company and Mr. Nzewi here on behalf of the family. The deed of conveyance. Mr. Nzewi, who signed this? This document says that my company paid cash of 20 million naira first installment to Mr. Nzewi here.
Akachi.
Hence this signature.
Hey.
Please confirm.
Answer now, answer. Hey. Did you sign this document?
I signed, but
have you seen it? Have you heard? Have you seen it?
See,
Stop, wait. Did you sign this document or not? That's the question. Did you sign it or not?
I signed, but you know what you told me now.
What? Come on, Mr. Nzewi. Tell your elders the truth now. Tell them the truth. The document was signed by you.
Hey. Property robbery.
Anyway, my elders, please, with due respect, I don't even want to know anymore if he signed it, or if he didn't pay, or if he paid. All I want is my own share of the money. Else, as far as I am alive, I go Nobody, I repeat, nobody will step foot into that land to do anything.
My brother, you lie.
Hey!
Yes, as a matter of fact, my workers have started work there.
Okay?
And no man should be found 20 meters around that property.
Okay.
Not after having paid for that property.
Okay.
Pay for my who?
If you have any problem concerning that land, settle it with your brother.
Pay for which land?
Warn this young man here.
After paying for which land?
Warn this young man. I don't finish. Else I will bite his mouth and nothing will happen. Makachuku, I don't first finish. Warn this man. When he was paying my brother the money, was I not supposed to be there? Did they call me? Warn this man.
Calm down. Come back. Sit down.
The truth I told you is enough for us. It's your bungalow. It's in a massive
What happened exactly?
But people can lie you. I tell you what. Apart from wrestling, if lying were to be one of the games organized by this community during festivals, my brother Nzewi should represent us. We will come out first.
Now you are realizing. You are just realizing.
Ah, that man can lie.
You are late.
You see, we were all gathered, elders, everybody. He wanted to lie. I'm sure that he has even spoken to that boy behind to lie, to support him in his evil doings. But do you know what happened?
Now tell me, what happened? Tell me.
That boy disappointed him. Oh!
Chiro. Wait. So, what you're saying in essence is that Nzewi has been paid
20 million naira.
Oh, Bara Jesus.
I have not even told you. First payment.
No.
First payment.
One more panese.
And you see, I believe this boy with my whole heart. In fact, I was ready to take a bullet for him. I will swear that he wasn't lying. This idiot has been paid 20 million naira while he was busy eating the money all to himself. On the other hand, he was busy lying to me. I've been a fool. Look at me. Yeah. I've been a fool.
My husband, the heart of man is very wicked. Very, very wicked.
Okay, when you say the heart of man or man is desperately wicked, it will look as if you are talking about a stranger. The heart of my brother is very, very desperately wicked.
No, but wicked though. Very wicked man.
People can lie. But anyway, the elders have spoken.
What did they say?
They say you should do the needful.
Wait. The needful means that he will give you your own share.
My own share of the money.
Now you are talking. Hey!
Give me my...
You can't talk bullshit.
Money has come. Get ready. Get ready. Get ready. Get ready, oh.
So I'm changing.
I say get ready.
Very soon
when the
I'm
money
changing.
comes, all these things you begin to change them. Everything you begin to change them. You have sense.
You know what? Just sit down and relax.
Hey!
I will kill you this night. Let me just go in, eh?
I'm warming up.
Now warm up. Let me go in and dress the bed.
No problem.
When I'm done, I'll come and call you.
No problem.
You are a man.
Of course I am.
Now, Chirekoto. So they're going to give you your own share.
But let me say our own share.
Hi! Can't talk nonsense.
You want
Our
to?
share. Can't talk nonsense.
Once the elders speak, there's nothing.
Just relax.
Nothing can be done again. They will pay the money. No. This boy is a liar. This boy can lie. Hey, he's a we. Anyway, I won the battle. You guys, wait for me.
Scammer. Because family scam. No one stole you. Don't tell monkey. Romance you. Forget cock and bull story. Romance you. I know where your story. Romance you. Forget this story. Family scam.
How can I pay for a land and you stop my people from working? Yes, you have to come back to site now. Yes, because I have to
I have to get this work done immediately. After paying for everything, I've paid for everything concerning this land to the very last. Why would somebody come and stop the work? Come back to say that I'll finish this work. I'm here. Let me see who will come here and say rubbish.
My husband. Eh? You've not said anything to me since the elders left. What is the problem? Can you hear me?
If Akachi thinks he can take advantage of the trust that I had in him, he had better think twice. Believe me, he should think twice, because I will fight him. Oh God, I will fight him. I will fight him with the last drop of my blood. I will fight him. Even if I die, let me die. Even better, I will fight him from the spirit world. I will fight him. I said I will fight him.
Akachi, la putagamo. Wayanyocha nkaka boska Ichal kemme to bigi
Akachi, I give you water. Yo, open. Akachi, open this car. Open for a guy, you can't leave my money. We don't know. Akachi. Get out of my land. Get out of my land. Get out of me. Get.
Soldiers are beating nice and we are that place where they want to put man. Where? She wants to Let's go. This is not a woman matter. This is not a woman matter. Let's go.
Thank you for the information.
Please, let's go before they
Let's go. Now, okay. Where are you going?
Let me go there and see what is happening. Okay?
You want to go there and see what is happening? See what? I'm asking you, Agodi, see what? Were you there when they paid him? Were you there when the business started? You want to go and see? You will stay here and wait for them to finish. They will finish what they started.
But at least let me just see what's happening.
Iwewu, are you a goat? Why can't you use your brain for once? Why can't you think? What are you going there to do? You want to go and see? Or cinema? What are you going there to see? Stay here. What are you doing outside? It's late. Let's go in. Yeah.
Have the children slept?
They have slept. Can we go in now?
But how do you expect me to go in and lay on my bed comfortably, knowing that my brother and his wife are not yet back at this time of the day?
What kind of way is it? You know, sometimes you amaze me. This is the same brother of yours that has been eating the money meant for two of you. And you're standing here worried about his well-being in Abudala.
Are you this heartless?
More heartless.
Someone came earlier today to tell us that soldiers are beating up my brother. Okay, let me go and check what's happening. You stopped me. The wife ran out to go and see what's happening for herself. And up till now, she has not returned. Neither has my elder brother returned. And you expect me to feel comfortable and go in there and lay on my bed
Are you this heartless?
I've heard you. Watchman. Stay here and watch until they come back. As for me, I will not lose a single sleep for those worthless parasites.
Then go and sleep.
Yes, I am going to sleep.
Go and sleep.
Continue to stay here and watch. And make sure you lock the gate when they come in. Watchman. Look at someone I'm even worried about. You will not choose your common sense.
Biko, I didn't mean to disturb you from your sleep, okay? It's just that my brother and his wife are not yet back. And I am beginning to get worried. So I decided to come and meet you to inquire what happened afterwards.
Brother Agodi, I am very, very disappointed in you. I am very, very angry at you. If not for one thing, I wouldn't have come out to answer you this night.
I'm sorry now. See, I'm sorry, okay? You know what played out. I'm very sorry, please.
I came to inform you of how soldiers were busy beating up your brother. They actually wanted to kill him, but you feel relaxed at home. It was other people who are not related to him at all that came to intervene. Where is your conscience?
Ine, please, let's forget about what happened earlier. You know how it played out. See, I don't feel good about it as well. That is why I'm here. Please tell me, what happened? I mean, where are they?
He has been rushed to the village clinic.
Was it that serious?
Are you asking me if it was serious? Your brother is in a very critical condition.
Where is he now?
Don't ask me. Go and look for him.
I told you. Oh, Bangel, well, I told you. I told you that I'm not comfortable with this business. I told you. What did you say to me? You said that I'm being unnecessarily afraid. Now look at it. Look at it. How can you trust somebody you don't know from Adam? How? Just look at how they want to kill you and claim your property.
My chest is paining me. My chest,
They not said they've given you enough painkiller. Why are you still feeling pain?
Don't touch my leg. Everywhere is paining me. My chest, my chest.
Sorry. Sorry.
Hey, don't touch any part of my body. I want to see my brother, please. Go and call my brother for me.
You cannot see your brother now. He's late. You can't see your brother.
I want to see Agodi.
He's late. I can't leave you here alone.
Call Agodi for me. Agodi, call my brother for me.
Agodi.
Call my brother for me.
Agodi, you're here.
Agodi. Is that you?
Agodi is here.
Yeah. Is that you, Agodi?
Yes, it is me.
Hey, thank God you're here, Agodi. Hey, my chest, Agodi. I want to tell you a story, Agodi. Hey, you see Akachi? Akachi is a bad person, Akachi is a wicked person. I just... Sorry. Akachi is a thief. Akachi wants to steal our family bond. He wants to steal our inheritance. Do not let him succeed.
I'm confused. I don't know. What are you trying to say?
I'll tell you everything, Agodi. I'll tell you how it all started at Kachilinja. Going on here? On the Dalu?
Dalu in there. Well, I wouldn't know. It's not starting. That's the problem.
Should I call a good mechanic for you?
That's actually not my problem now. At my house, I have an SUV parked.
Okay.
I actually need someone that will take me there so that I'll carry the car. Then later, they'll come and sort it. It's a company vehicle, so they come and sort it later. Okay. I'm from Osina.
Okay.
So that's where my house is. So.
Osina is not far. It's just the neighboring village.
Very close.
Hop in.
Thank you. Let me prove
okay.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Okay, please, you can help me get the mechanic. Okay. So while he's fixing that one, I'll go with the other car for the meeting. Okay. There's the key. Okay. I have your number already. All right. I will control you well. Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
With the car key. I thought you said you will leave this car here and whenever you come around you will be driving it in the village.
Yes, actually I want to run an errand with it, but I will be back very soon. I'll be back very soon.
What of the other car you went out with?
They developed a small fault, but they are fixing it, so but I need to go for a meeting with this one. Mama, I'll see you when I come back.
Hey, please drive carefully. Be careful, this one you are in a hurry.
I will, Mama.
Ngwano.
Perfect condition now. It's okay now. You can start it. Yes.
Are you sure?
Very sure. Just start it.
Let me start. Alright, guy, I trust you. Okay, let me call the owner of the car. Yes, the guy is gone. Of course, I just tested the car now. Perfect. The engine is running very well. No problem. Okay. Yeah, I can drive. No wala. I'm not so sure I have up to that though. I can't really guarantee. I don't know how much I have here, but no wala. I'll talk to you. Okay, no problem. All right. Okay, how much is the money?
Just 3,000 naira only.
Yeah?
Yes, 3,000.
Ah, guy, slow down. I'll give you 1.5.
Ha! No, this is a company's car now, and this company has benefited from us on a daily basis. Please, I need my own share of the money. 3,000 is a fair price.
You are right, but okay, let's not argue. Huh? I'll give you 2,000. 2,000. I'm the one paying from my pocket.
This money is not even your money. Release this money
but
now.
I'm paying from my pocket. 2,000. Biko, don't argue. Let's go. See what will happen. You take my bike, right behind me. Let's drop my bike, then we'll go and drop this car.
I should be the one driving this one, so you drive the bike.
Biko, I don't want story. This is somebody's car. I don't want story. I should be the one to drive. No, drive my bike. Yes. We'll drop my bike and then we'll go and drop it. Okay, the owner of this car says that you people know him very well.
That is Mr. Akashi.
Oh, okay, he said I should drop this key with the reception.
Hey, please hurry up so that we can get your bike from my shop.
Okay, okay, you're back. Alright, no problem. You see me right away.
Welcome. You see, what you did for me today is good. I've never heard of that before. Like you don't know me before. We've never met. You don't even know where I'm coming from. Maybe you saw me, you trusted me. You didn't only carry me around when my car was bad without collecting money, but you paid the mechanic fixing my company car with your own money. You're a good person. Who does that? Like, who does that to a stranger? Thank you.
Well, I don't even know what to say. There are still people with good hearts around.
Well, this one is golden. This one is a huge one. I appreciate you a lot. You see, you will continue to enjoy from this singular act, this act of kindness. And your children will also enjoy from it. I'm not praying for you. It's not a prayer. It's a fact. You know, I didn't do a proper introduction of myself. Okay. Let me introduce myself. My name is Akachi. I am a site supervisor around this region.
Okay.
What I actually do is, and as a matter of fact, I'm on site survey to know where we have to erect our masts.
Okay.
You know, NTN is a telecommunication company.
Yes.
Now, when I see a proper place suitable for erecting our masts, we do the proper negotiations with the owner of the land.
Okay.
Then after that, we pay the person off.
Okay.
And I'm sure you know that the payment runs in millions. Not just
telecom company. See, how do I come into this?
Like I said, you will enjoy from this singular act of kindness. You, your family, and your children. I will make sure they don't suffer for this act of kindness. Okay. I'm sure you have a land that is situated on the road, far away from where people live.
Yes, I do.
That is it. Once I confirm that the land is viable for start erecting our mast, you're a millionaire overnight. Like I said, our company pays in millions. You will regret it.
Just like that?
Just like that. We are in for business.
So here we are. This is where it starts. Huh? Down to, I don't know, you can see something like a NEPA pole there.
Okay.
But there's still only a big connecting there. So from here to that place, 100 by 50. Huh? This whole land, my land.
Okay. Well, this is a perfect location. Yes, very perfect.
It goes?
I like it. You remember I told you few kilometers away from where people live.
Yes.
So it can work. It can work. Okay. The only thing I need to do is I need to get my survey equipment and survey the land. Okay. Get some of my colleagues to come and check it out.
Okay.
The only thing we have to do is you have to pray.
Hey.
Just pray, it works.
What
but from what I am seeing, it can fly.
Hey, what else am I living for? I've always been praying. In fact, this one now is God that has answered the prayer.
Yes,
but I always pray, and I'll keep praying.
Just pray.
Hey.
Okay. You put
You mean the man?
There was one. Yes, sir.
And he said he liked it.
He said everything is okay, no problems. He just said that he will still come with his people and some equipment to do a final survey. But 70% okay. In fact, 80%
okay. God, you are a wonderful God.
Amen.
God, you are an excellent God. I know you're the one that have started this good thing.
Sir.
And you will perfect it to the glory of your name.
Amen.
Hey. You see why I said it is always good to be good to people. Especially strangers. Because you don't know when you will entertain an angel in place of a man.
I'm telling you. Sorry. Hey.
Mr. Zoe. Congratulations. Cheers. Your land has been approved. It has been approved to bear our mast, our company mast. You know what that means? That means you're automatically becoming a millionaire just by mere kind gesture you give to a stranger.
Hey! Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you.
Nice
I'll
business.
never forget this. Thank you. Thank you. God
I told
bless
you. I told you.
You have a video. You now talk like this. So that's how you do. You now be like. Oh, why? See, I can't wait to tell my brother the good news.
I'm telling you.
Honestly. Hey! Hi! Thank God.
Is he part of the money?
Are you the one asking me this? He's my only brother, my blood brother, my younger brother. Of course he'll be there now. Any money we realize from the sale of that land, we are going to share it equally. You take half, I'll take take half.
Equal. Baby, now, you can. Are you not the first son? Can you share it equal?
Hey, women. How can you be fighting over sharing formula when we've not even seen the money? Let's get the money first now. Then we'll start fighting over how to share it. Relax. For now, let's do salsa. Call it salsa. Salsa. You don't even know how to dance. The way they do it is now pull me wet. Why?
Mr. Nzewi, the company has had a lot of dealings with a lot of people when it comes to land. Some went bad. Now the company decided to change its modus operandi when it comes to payments. That's how we operate things.
Okay. So how do they pay now?
Good. First, we try as much as possible to erect our structures, because sometimes the company actually pays someone who poses to be the owner of the land. Then as time goes on, some group of people will come and claim ownership of that land, thereby making the company lose money.
Okay. Well, I understand. It happens. I go, but people do such things all the time. But you see my own land, you have nothing to worry about. My land is not in dispute. It's mine. My late father left that land for me as the first son. In fact, in the whole village, everybody knows that land is mine. So you have nothing to worry.
Well, as a company's policy, we must have to erect a structure on that land. kind of creating awareness for people so that any other person who wants to come out and claim ownership will know how to follow it. So the structure must be erected first before payment is effected. That's how it's done.
Wait. Let me be sure I'm with you. You just said something about erecting the structure first.
Yes.
So what you are saying is this: your company will mount their mast on my land without paying me first.
Exactly. Payment will be made after we have erected or we have started work. As a matter of fact, after we have erected the mast and is working, then we effect the payment. That is it.
Ha! Ha! So yeah. So how am I sure that your company will still pay after erecting their mast on my land? How am I sure?
You see, Mr. Zewi, NTM is a reputable company. We cannot afford to dent our image just because some filthy naira notes or because of all this kind of thing. No. Once we erect it, we'll pay you without stories. So we can't afford to tell stories.
Ah.
Called you. They have to start working first before they make payments.
That's what he said.
But now that you have told your brother about this thing, won't he get upset if he sees them working on the land?
No. My brother knows me very well. He trusts me. Huh? And we have love between us. After all, I was the one who told him about the deal. He didn't know anything about it. If I wanted to lie, I'll lie, but I'm not like that. He knows me, he trusts me. You know? And my brother knows that once the company pays, I will tell him. I'll even give him a share. My brother trusts me.
That's true.
Yes. My problem now is, how am I sure the company will pay as they promised?
If they don't pay as promised, you throw them out of your land. Will they drag your land with you?
Well,
they don't pay you, throw them out. Again, you're wrong. They don't pay you, throw them out. Okay, you're wrong.
Mr. Azagri, the company will pay you 20 million naira now.
Okay.
Then in the next 10 years, they will pay you another 20 million. And that's the end.
I don't have a problem with that.
Then go ahead and sign.
Oh, okay.
Sign here, here, here.
Oh, okay. I got you. These documents state that I've collected the sum of 20 million cash.
Yes. That's how the company works.
Yeah. But you never know one kobo, man. Not giving me anything.
Mr. Azawi, how many times will I have to explain to you that NTM as a company has a modus operandi when it comes to payment? How many times will I explain to you that the company will not effect any payment until they've erected the mast? And nobody comes to disturb while the work is going on. That means, of course, the land is not in dispute. Then they will go ahead and make your payment. What else do you want me to explain?
But that is different from signing that I've collected money when I've not collected anything. It's not the same thing now. See, Biko, do not be offended. I know you're trying to help me. I understand. I appreciate it.
It's okay.
But please, can we suspend the signing till I get money? Let me see the money. I'll be sure there's money in my hand. Then I sign.
Mr. Azewi, does it work that way? The company will only send out materials for work, and the work will start when they have seen that these documents are duly signed.
Huh. See, Akachi, Biko, do not be offended. Oh, Ebukwaniwe. Because between you and I, as young men, please, be honest with me. Biko, from the bottom of your heart, Wamezioku, Ihalo. Don't be in a hurry to answer me, because I need the truth. Okemo Isike na Sam, Biko, tell me the truth.
Mr. Zeri, I understand your plight. I understand where you're coming from. But need I remind you that NTM is a big telecommunication. We can't afford to soil our name. We cannot afford to dent our reputable image just because of a mere 40 million naira. You know, it's not possible. That is to say, it is not a scam. Do the needful and you'll be paid. Simple.
I need time to think about this. Oh, anyway.
No problem. But please, anything you're doing, be very fast about it. I don't have time. And if you're not interested in this business, please be kind enough to tell me on time so that I'll look for another person who wants the business.
Let me think. Oh.
Thank you.
God bless you.
Your plan for coming to this family as my wife is to destroy the bond I share with my brother. You have lied. You hear me? Not even 1,000 of your type can destroy the bond that exists between my brother and I. Not at all.
No, why are you shouting? Tell me, what have I done? Why are you shouting?
What have you not done? Tell me. What have you not done?
Look what more.
By the way, where are my children?
They have gone to school.